Hi everyone! So today we are going to be making ginger masala tea or desi masala chai. I love drinking this early in the morning because it is not only more flavorful but it is also stronger and healthier. So let's begin. For this we are going to need about 2.5 tablespoons of tea. Completely optional is 1 tablespoon of cream. I personally don't really require this because it doesn't make a huge difference, but you can add it if you want. 1.5 cups of milk, a 1-inch piece of ginger, which we are going to grate, a small piece of a cinnamon stick, about 6 cardamoms, 3 cloves, and about 5 to 6 black peppercorns. We're also going to need some sugar. About 1 tablespoon should be good. Of course, you can add more or less based on your taste. Now we're going to heat up 1 cup of water, and as it's heating up, we're going to start grating the ginger just because the water will heat up quite quickly. At this point, our water will be hot, so we're going to add in all of the peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon stick, and our cardamoms. So you can see that I'm breaking them up like this before putting them in because it will give a much nicer aroma. And then at that point, I want you to put it on medium flame and add in our chai. I suggest putting it on medium flame because we don't want this to get boil right away and spill over. And then continue to stir it with a ladle or spoon just like this. This will bring out the color much nicer and the flavor as well. At this point, we're going to add in our milk, so I suggest 1.5 cups. And this is completely optional, a tablespoon of heavy cream. Normally, I do not add cream. I don't personally like to, but if you do, you can certainly add it. Then we're going to add in our sugar and continue to stir with a ladle just like this. And at that point, our chai will start to boil and rise, and before spilling over, we want to turn off the flame. So give it one last stir like this. Before straining it into a cup, we want to make sure that it's nice and smooth and there's no bits and pieces in there. And at this point, our masala chai is ready. You can enjoy this with biscuits in the morning or with snacks like samosas in the afternoon. Whatever you want, it's up to you. If you all enjoyed this video, please give it a big like and share it with your friends. Comment down below with requests for future videos or with any questions you may have. And subscribe for future videos. And make sure that you hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post. Thanks for watching!